Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Tephra. Welcome to the app. Okay, so looking at the box, you see we have the brown box. You got the large 700 across the top. You got the large boost on the side. You got the Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas on this side. Blank on this side. Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas with the tag. But enough of that, man. Y'all already familiar with the box. Let's get into the kicks, man. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Tephra. Now, I'm going to be honest. I know I talk a lot of shit about Yeezys. But see these, man, I'm feeling these. I don't know. I'm not saying you're supposed to feel them or nothing, you know what I'm saying? But me, I'm feeling these. You hear me? Especially on the smaller foot. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video because we're going to show you what the smallest size looks like. You know what I'm saying? But let's take a look around the shoe, man. Under the bottom, you see you have the gum sole with the hits of brown with your white boost. Got your Adidas logo. Here's a look from the side. See your 3M sprinkled all around the shoe. Here's a look at the front. See the front of the toe box, top of the toe box, and there's your tongue. So you got the little material on the tongue. Here's the medial side. You see what's happening. Got your tags and everything. Here's a look at the back. Y'all already familiar with the model. You know, I'm just giving y'all a look at the color. Know I'm a little late with the review, but it is what it is, man. Now looking at the other shoe, everything is the same. There's no difference. You see that side view. Here's a look from the front. Top of the toe box. Let me give you a closer look. There it is. See the suede sprinkled all throughout. Here's your medial side. And here's your back. Oh, got a sticker on there. Let me get that off of here. Now let me give you a closer look at the back, man. Here it is. As you can see, you got the suede, 3M, got your little black strip on the back. And these are dope to me, man. Here's a look at the insole. You see you have the Ultralight Adidas Yeezy. Ultralight Yeezy, the Adidas logo. You dig? These are dope to me, man. I'm feeling them. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about them, man. You know, now on a bigger foot, I don't have the same feeling about them on a bigger foot. You know what I'm saying? I got myself a pair, but they don't have that same. Okay, well look, there's a look at your 3M hits all around. I ain't gonna give you a look at that because y'all already know what's up with it. You feel me? You got your suede mixed all around the shoe, man. These things are dope to me, man. I'm feeling them. Now, I don't like the model of the shoe. I still think it looks something like a little rat or something. You know what I'm saying? But the colorway can make me look past the shoe model. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling this colorway, man. I think it's dope. It's nice and cool to me. I can't wait to put my pair on, man, and see what they look like on some boats. You feel me? But anyway, like I say, man, y'all stay tuned for the end of the video because we're going to get somebody, we're going to get a female to put a small size on, show y'all on foot of them. Y'all probably saw it already, but it is what it is, man. But like I say, man, I think these things are dope. I'm feeling them. It's the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Tephra. Feeling them. I was waiting on these ever since the pictures first surfaced months ago. So let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back.